Welcome to Product Critique, and today, we are diving into one of the best Bounceland water slides available. The Bounceland Jump and Splash Adventure Bounce House or Water Slide. This all-in-one inflatable is perfect for your backyard and promises endless fun for your kids. Whether it's a hot summer day, or you're looking to entertain the little ones with a fun and safe activity, this product checks all the boxes. The Bounceland Jump and Splash Adventure is not just a water slide. It's a complete experience for children aged 3 to 8. With a long slide, a large pool, and a fun bouncing area, this bounce house gives your kids the best of both worlds, water play and jumping fun. The slide itself is 6.5 feet long, offering an exciting and safe ride for the kids, while the pool area measures 6.5 by 4.8 feet, giving them plenty of room to splash around. What sets this product apart from others is the built-in basketball hoop. It's a fantastic way for kids to burn off energy while enhancing their hand-eye coordination. Plus, it comes with a climbing wall, so they can get the full adventure experience. The heavy-duty material used in its construction ensures durability, making it a reliable choice that will last season after season. Setting up the Bounceland Jump and Splash Adventure is a breeze. Thanks to the included UL-certified blower, the inflatable inflates in under a minute. That means less hassle and more fun time for the kids. The unit is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, which makes it flexible for various weather conditions. This water slide and bounce house combo is built with safety in mind. It features secure ground stakes, a sturdy air intake tube, and a halfway hook and loop fastener opening for easy and safe access. With a maximum weight limit of 300 pounds, and a maximum of 3 kids at once, this ensures that everyone can enjoy it without overcrowding. The product is also UL certified, and the blower is equipped with a GFCI plug for added electrical safety. One of the standout features of this inflatable is its ease of storage and portability. Once the fun is done, it deflates quickly and can be packed away in the included carrying bag. This makes it easy to store when not in use, and you won't have to worry about taking up too much space in your garage. If you're looking for an investment that will provide endless entertainment for your children, keep them active, and replace screen time with physical fun, the Bounceland Jump and Splash Adventure Bounce House is the perfect choice. It encourages kids to stay active, interact with friends, and enjoy the great outdoors, all while staying cool in the water. This bounce house makes an excellent gift for birthdays, summer parties, or any occasion that calls for a bit of excitement. Its sturdy build, easy setup, and hours of fun will have your kids playing for hours, while you can relax knowing they're safe and having a blast. Thanks for watching today's review on the Bounceland Jump and Splash Adventure Bounce House. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, stay playful and keep exploring.